After Paranti, now we are going to Garh Panchkot. Garh Panchkot is a ruined fort located in the eastern part of India at the foothills of Panchkot Hills in the district of Purulia, West Bengal. The ruins of the Panchkot Palace are a silent testimony to the Borgi attack during the 18th century. Garh Panchkot was once home to the Rajas of Panchkot, the Singh-Dev dynasty. It is believed that the Rajas lost to the Borgi and were eventually forced to move out of the palace. The Borgis destroyed the palace in the 18th century and it has been in ruins ever since. The hilly landscape and the surrounding area gives you a sense of nostalgia and calm. Garh Panchkot has seen a lot and has been through so much of hardships. It seems as if the ruins speak out and are crying out their sorrows. A group of temples are still standing as mute spectators of the rise and fall of the dynasty. Looking to get away from the chaos of the city life for a while? Then take a short trip to Garh Panchkot. It is very easy to reach Garh Panchkot. You can go to Panchkot via road and railways. It is definitely the best place to visit. There you can stay one night. Now we are watching the beautiful scenery from the ecotourism watchtower. The beautiful place gives off a freshness which will surely help forget your worries. Our next destination is Panchkot Dam. It is 16 km from Garh Panchkot. In my next video, I will share the Panchkot Dam. Till then, bye.